Cody here from Tipsy Rippers with another Mudbuster install here. So I went and installed the pocket doors, or the door pockets, whatever you want to call them, on the side, on the driver's side. So I'm going to go ahead, we're going to install these. This is probably the easiest installation I've ever done. So it's going to be a real quick video. It's not going to be a lot to this video, but also go ahead and check out our merch, Tipsy Rippers. We got hats, we got shirts. Check it out. Appreciate it. Also, don't forget that like and subscribe button. Let's get it. Let's go ahead and install this sucker. So you just got to get your hardware in an impact, and the holes are already pre-drilled. So pre-drilled. They're also, I believe, nut certs in there. If not, they're just threaded plastic. But you just go ahead and get your impact and a Phillips head, and you really just need the hardware they include, and it's easy as that. So probably the easiest installation I've done on something in a while. Usually takes a lot more effort than this, but you got to hit the hole too, so that helps. Literally a 5-minute install. Hose line right up. They got this stuff down to a science. Yeah, science. Dropped one. Alright, now let's move back to the back. So that's the front right there. You can add some extra stuff in there. I know Yamaha makes some. I don't know how much theirs is compared to the Mudbusters, but I'd assume anything OEM is way more expensive, so this one might be a little bit trickier. So I found it's easier just to screw the two top ones and then go ahead and install the rest of them.
Fatality.
A lot of places they don't give you extra screws for stuff, so. Don't drop your screw and you'll be all right. Copper, get out of there. Alright, so installation's as easy as that. They got their nice logo, Mudbusters, on there. Quality product, $135. I mean, you can't beat it for all 4 pockets. I think if you just get the front ones, it's $79. But yeah, you can throw anything in there. Alright, that's it, guys. So thanks for watching. Super easy install, and I'd say this is Tipsy Ripper approved.